Hello babes and welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new. First of all, I want to wish you all a happy new year. I hope you had a wonderful holiday time and you got lots of presents if you celebrate, and if you don't, just that you had a wonderful time off if you didn't have to go to work. Anyway, I've seen that a lot of you have asked me for more jewelry videos, and I got a message from a brand called GTHIC. I have reviewed their products before here on this channel. So since they asked me to review some more products, I said, okay, that's perfect since you guys have been asking for this kind of videos. So today we're going to be reviewing some items from GTHIC that they sent me, and I will also leave the link in the description box down below for the other video in case you want to watch it. Inside their box they sent me their card, and it comes with a discount code, but I have another one for you. It's Vesmedinia, and you can get 20% off your order if you use it. Then they also sent me this measuring device to calculate your ring size, which is super useful if you don't know your size. I also got another one last time I ordered from them, and by the way, you can reuse it because the other time I was afraid that once you pull it through the hole you wouldn't be able to open it, but you can, so don't worry about it. And finally, I got the rings and a necklace, because I also got a necklace this time. Here they are. I really like the boxes where they sent their stuff. They're super cute and I always keep them because they're very useful, especially since they're quite big. I can store a lot of things here and I can pile them up and, you know, store lots of things in safe space. The first item I want to show you is this gorgeous necklace. I really like it. I think it's my favorite from their collection. And it is a skull with two bones forming a cross, and it looks very death rock-ish, and that's a style I really like, although I don't think it suits me, but the music is something I really adore. I think it's completely different from everything I usually wear, which makes it a great addition to my collection because, you know, at this point everything starts to feel the same. But that's the problem when you have a very defined style. If it was for me, I would only wear like vampy things and it would be very boring for you guys to watch. Here's what it looks like on. It's actually a lot longer, but you wouldn't be able to see it here and it wouldn't really look so good with what I'm wearing right now. So I'm gonna put it like this and hope for the best because I know it's gonna fall as I continue talking. So what do you think? It's not huge, but it's a very decent size. It feels really high quality. By the way, all the products I'm gonna show you today are made of stainless steel, so they won't turn weird colors. I've had the rings for a long time and none of them looks bad orange or green right now, and I've been using them a lot, especially this summer. And you know what happens during summer, you sweat and everything turns very ugly, but not their style. So in that sense, I'm really happy with their products. I think it's great that I use them in my daily life because that way I've been able to test them a lot more than if I just wore them for a video. Every time I go out, I put on the rings because they have my size, which is not super common. So I've used them quite a lot and they're still in great condition. The next thing I want to show you is this gorgeous and huge ring. I'm not sure if you can see it right now. It is extremely big. It is a little bit heavy. And unfortunately it wasn't available in my size, so it's really big, but it was still so beautiful that I wanted to show you guys this one. And I can always wear it here, which is not my favorite finger to wear rings, but it works. Now during winter my fingers are a little thinner than usual, so it doesn't feel perfectly tight, but I know during summer I'm gonna be able to wear it on my thumbs and I won't have any problem with it. But I think it looks a lot better like this. Again, the quality is just great. The details are super cute. They look really amazing. I love rings that are so big like this one. It looks just like on their website, and they have quite a few different sizes, but unfortunately not my size because I believe this is more like the bigger ones are more for men, I guess. And they don't have smaller sizes, unfortunately. But yeah, I think during summer I will be able to wear it on my thumbs and it will be perfect. Next one is just perfect for me, and since I saw it I knew I wanted it. And it's this gorgeous ring with a black stone and bats all over. It's super cute. Again, all the details look just amazing and just as beautiful in real life as they do on the web, and I feel like, again, both the stone and the metal are really good quality. As I've used the other ones in my daily life, I know that they will last a long time and they won't turn weird colors. I believe this one is a new design because it wasn't available last time I collaborated with them, and I really like it. It is just perfect for my style, and the top that I'm wearing is just like the perfect combination, and I think it looks just stunning. The only bad thing is that the smaller size for this one, again, I think was a 7, which is way too big for me. I think I'm a 5 if I want to wear it here. I have very thin fingers, so I think I'm gonna have to wear it on my index finger, but still I think it looks great because I like wearing rings on all my fingers, so it doesn't matter if not all of them are for the ring finger. Next ring I got is really cute. It's this one. It looks like an engagement ring, but with a very gothic twist. It's 2 skeletons and a black stone in here. Of course, it's not a diamond, but it looks really tiny and really cute. I believe it looks a little more gray than this one. This one is completely black, but this is like a very dark gray, and I love it. I also love that the metal part is not super bright and it has like darkened details. It makes it look a lot better and higher quality, and it just looks great. This one was available in size 6, which is again not my size for the ring finger, but pretty close, and I believe I'm gonna be able to wear it without a problem on other fingers, probably here, or yeah, maybe here now because it's winter. My fingers are even thinner than usual. But I don't think anyone else is going to have this problem because, again, I don't think a size 5 is that common. Now, although I got these ones quite some time ago, I am going to show you because I don't think I've shown you in this channel, at least not most of them. So here are some other rings I had from them from before that you've probably seen on Instagram. This one with a coffin I showed you in my previous review, so I'm going to leave it there. Now, here we have the Eye of Sauron, and it's really cute. It looks really good in real life. I was not sure it was gonna look convincing, but it looks really pretty, and it has a lot of details all over. It's really big and really beautiful. Again, this was big. I think this is like for men. It's probably a size 7 by the looks of it, but I think it looks stunning. Next we have the sigil of Baphomet, and I really like it. I've also used it a lot this year and it still looks like new. I think I got this one in a size 6 so I could wear it here, and look how cute it looks. This is usually how I like to go out, you know, with all those rings all over. Now with COVID and all that, I'm a little bit more cautious, but before all this happened, I always wore rings on every single finger, which is a look that I really like. And finally we have a sigil of Lucifer, which I really like. I'm not sure if I showed you this one in my previous haul, but in case I didn't, here it is. I really like it as well. It's very similar to the other one. And again, they are made of stainless steel, so they just feel a little bit heavy, but that's like really good. I like when rings feel a little heavy, especially if they're big like this one. I really like that feeling. By the way, I'm not sure if you could see them before, but the earrings that I'm wearing are also from them. They're inverted crosses, they're silver and grey, and I really like them. Whenever I don't want to wear more romantic or Victorian jewelry, I wear those, and they look really cute with more like no-goth outfits or similar things. And they're one of my go-to earrings for, you know, more casual looks. I believe that was everything for this video. I'm sorry if it was a little bit short, but definitely let me know if you want to watch more jewelry videos. I've been collecting stuff like this for over 15 years, so you can tell I have a lot of things. And if you like the pieces I showed you today, don't forget that you can use my discount code, which is VES20, to get 20% off on your order. Their prices are really affordable, but a discount is always welcome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also hope you had a wonderful Christmas time if you celebrate, or just wonderful holidays if you don't. And I hope we see each other in my next one. Bye!